Welcome back, everybody. I'm Ron.
I'm Judy.
We're Full-Time Dream. It's been a little while that we've been out and about, and we've got a lot of new subscribers and old subscribers that have been wondering what's going on with us, so we thought we'd do a quick video and let everybody know what's happening.
So what's been happening?
A whole lot of
Nothing. Which is why we haven't put out many videos. So we're going to start at the beginning when we started our channel 4 years ago now. We started it, my dad passed away, and then we started taking care of my mom. So that's where we've been for the past actually it's 4.5 years now, going on
Right.
5. So in the last year and a half, we made a major change in life and went full-time. So we're not dreaming anymore, we are full-time.
We're living the dream.
We're not living most people's full-time dream, but
We're living the dream that we're able to live right at the moment. And that's the way everybody should live it, is live in the moment. Don't be trying to put things off until the future. Live your dream now.
so what does that mean for us? Last June, we had been volunteering at our local state parks for a few years, doing their CAPS program, and then last June, Ron was pretty much sick of his job. I was getting stressed out at my job, so I ended up quitting that. And so then Ron was working all the time, and I was home with my mom, and it just wasn't a happy situation. So
We made the decision that we talked about it, and we decided that I was going to call it a career and be done with my work, and we were going to go out and start doing our work camping.
and work and be on the road, and so we threw caution to the wind and made the best plans we could, and we're still at it today.
So we started out again work camping in New York State in the CAPS program, and we worked a month there. And while we were there, we got invited to come down and work at this place that we are now, Buckaloons, which is part of the National Forest. And we jumped at the chance to do something different, and we did that for about a month and a half.
And then we got a call from our resume on Work Campers News, and they wanted us to come to Texas for the winter. So we went down and we worked at a resort down there for the winter. And that was nice because Mom got the chance to get out into the nicer weather and
To see more people.
see more people and do some of the activities and such.
And while we were down there, we got invited to come back here again. But this time, instead of just being helpers to the camp host, we were made full-time camp hosts for not only here, but 2 other smaller campgrounds and a cabin that they have remotely up in the mountains.
And then we have our winter job coming back, and we were going to go back to the same resort, but last year was the first year Ron didn't get to hunt at all in his entire life. So it was he thought he was going to be able to hunt in Texas, but he couldn't. So we found a job that's actually on a ranch, and I decided that was going to be better for Ron, and he sacrificed so much for helping me and my mom that he deserved that. So that's where we're going to go, and we're going to go to the ranch this year, and we'll see how that works. I'm kind of excited to go
Do something different.
see something different, and see some exotic animals and stuff like that. And there's actually going to be a couple of YouTubers down in that area, so we should be able to meet up with them. And
So you get to come along with us. In about a month and a half, we'll be leaving here. We'll be going and doing our early voting and heading to Texas. So you'll follow along with us as we get there, and we're going to be coming to the Mew Ranch in San Diego, Texas.
so it's been almost a year since we put out videos, and we're going to try to get back into it. So we like to thank everybody who's stayed subscribed, everybody who's resubscribed, all our new subscribers. And everybody that's still continuing to watch our videos, our views dropped off a little bit, but we're working now to get them back up there and hoping to bringing you some new and better content.
So like we said at the beginning, this was just going to be a quick video to reintroduce ourselves to the community and hope that everybody will join along with us and keep on going. We appreciate every one of you, and thank you very much. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Tell your friends about us and see if we can get some more subscribes.
And we'll see you on the next one.